Good everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day. So today, what I'm going to do, I will talk about discounting option, right? So we've been talking about multi-dimension codes, and we looked at the different options to configure it. Now, I just wanted to mention how the discounting plays in the picture. So usually, what happens, right? Forget about the CPQ for a second. Usually, right, when you buy stuff in bulk, right, you usually tend to get a discount. For instance, you go to a supermarket, say you buy two cream cheese, right? Two box of cream cheese. They will give you the two box of cream cheese for $6, right? Compared to buying separate, right? If you buy individual one, it might cost you $3.50. So you're getting a dollar discount here. So that's typically a normal scenario which you would have encountered in your day-to-day life, right? So you buy stuff in bulk. So the bulk means it's decided by a quantity. So anything, more than one. So right, or more than 10, whatever they call it as a bulk, right? So now, when it comes to CPQ, that's functionality is pretty much out of box. But what if you don't want to worry about the quantity? Instead, you wanted to give a term-based discount. Like, for instance, you are buying a subscription-based uh, product, right? Where, say, for instance, you're buying a Netflix, right? A subscription. So if you're buying a Netflix subscription, say, for instance, if you buy for 2 years, you will get, say, 20% discount, right? Or let's say you buy Amazon Prime, right? If you buy that for, say, a year, you will get, say, 5% discount. So that is something what I wanted to show you today, how to configure it and how that thing works, right? So I have VPN license, right, which is pretty sweet, which is the product we've been talking about lately, right? So obviously you buy license, right? So the VPN license is a subscription base, so they wanted to sell you, monthly, right? Usually, you can buy, like an antivirus software, right? You can buy for a year, then you renew it. So uh, in our case, this is monthly based, right? So obviously, what I want to do is that, right, I'm buying this for 24 months. If I'm buying or for instance, I'm buying this for 36 months, right? So if I wanted to buy this VPN license, say for 24 months or 34 or 36 months, I should be given, say, 5% discount or 10% discount, right? So how to implement that? That's exactly what we're gonna look today, right? So the first thing first, right? So you have to log into your org, right? And I hope that you guys have Salesforce CPQ installed. I've already talked about how to register for this org. I'm not gonna get into that nitty gritty details again. Uh, so. Um, so you have to go to something called discount schedule. So if you don't see that on the tab, as you can see, I have it on the tab, but if you don't, so you go to this tic-tac-toe icon and you just look for discount, right? Just type discount, you will find discount schedules, okay? So once you open there, once you go there, you'll get an interface, something like this, right? So what you have to do, click on new, and I will say, we're planning to give 10% discount, right? So I will say 10%, okay? And I'll keep every other option as such. I'm not going to fiddle with it at this stage. So I will say save. Yeah. Now pay special attention to edit tiers, right? So this is where we're going to add the range and kind of stuff. So we click on here, and then you give the name. So we say, 10% discount. Yeah. And the lower bound, right? So the lower bound could be, say, from which year onwards you wanted to give a discount. So, for instance, right, you're buying a Netflix subscription. So if you buy a subscription, anything 24 months and above, you will get 10% discount. If you buy, say, so, or you can say that if you buy anything year and above, you will get 10% discount or whatever, right? So you can say, I will put 24. I'm not concerned about the upper bound. Could be anything. You can put if you want, but I'm not bothered with it. So I'll put, let's say, 10% discount, right? So I'll click on save. That's pretty much what you have to do. In terms of discount schedule. So what I'll do next, I'll go to the product, right? Excuse me. I'll go to VPN license and I will edit and I'll look for discount, right? So we got two things here, right? Well, we got discount schedule and the term discount schedule. So please make sure do not put your, the discount, the 10% what you've created to the discount schedule. It will not work because we are talking about a term discount, right? So what we do, we go here and we say 10%. Yeah. So this is what we created under discount schedule. So we are pointing that record to here. Okay. So term discount schedule and click on save. That's all you have to do. Right now, let's go and create a code. So what I'll do, I'll create a new code and I'll make it as a primary code. And what I'll do, I'll put the subscription term to say 24 months, right? And then I'll save it. Okay. And then I will go to edit lines and I will add that product. So I will add that product, excuse me, and I'll say VPN. Okay. And I'll select this. I'll select. Now, so you got 18, so $18, right? So you got $2 discount, right? So if you look at it, so ideally speaking, what should have happened if you haven't given the discount? You would have got like $20, right? $10 for each year, right? So as you can see the price here, right? So you can see the $10, that's the price. So 10 times 2, that's 20. But since we are giving 10% discount, 10% of 20 is 2. So it will subtract 2 from it. So you'll get $18, right? That's how easy it is to configure a term discount, right? So that's pretty much I wanted to cover today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing evening. Adios.